same old, or new beginnings for Bollinger Innovations, formerly known as Mullen Automotive. It announced a 1-for-250 reverse stock split effective August 4, 2025. The company's board of directors approved this move, which aims to bring Bollinger Innovations into compliance with Nasdaq's $1 minimum bid price requirement for maintaining its listing. The newly rebranded company still makes efforts to strengthen its balance sheet by eliminating all warrants and $25.3 million of convertible notes. This move was made possible through agreements with existing noteholders to exchange convertible notes and warrants for newly created preferred stock, resulting in an approximate $133 million increase in shareholder equity. According to David Michieri, CEO and chairman of Bollinger Innovations, this improvement in the company's financial position demonstrates key investors' continued support, both financially and through their willingness to eliminate debt and warrants to enhance the capital structure. After Bollinger Innovations officially changed its name from Mullen Automotive Incorporated and updated its Nasdaq stock symbol to BINI, BINI, effective July 28, 2025, David Michieri explained the transition marks a significant milestone, unifying commercial Class 1, 3, and 4 vehicles under one brand. This change doesn't impact the company's legal structure or business operations, and stockholders don't need to take any action. The rebranding is part of a larger effort to streamline operations and reduce costs, including a consolidation plan expected to be completed by August 15, 2025. This plan involves relocating commercial vehicle operations to Oak Park, Michigan, and unifying sales, marketing, and service operations under the Bollinger brand.